Hey everybody, Pocket Doc here at Dark Angel Medical. I've got my handy dandy dark kit right here, and a couple of the questions we get asked a lot is, one, do I leave it in the vacuum seal bag? And two, when I open the vacuum seal bag, how's it laid out? Well, answer one, yes, leave it in that 5 mil thick vacuum seal bag because that protects the product's integrity, the other components' integrity in there. Two, when I open it up and pull this lanyard up and get it out, I'm going to have this vacuum seal bag here, and I'm going to have to caveman that quick tear tab open. When I do that and get it out of the bag, this is what it's going to show. You're going to see the insert right here. You're going to pop it open. The halo seals are right there. You're going to see a Mylar blanket. You're going to see your hemostatic gauze. You're going to see your compressed gauze, your eye shield, your pressure bandage, your gloves, and your airway all laid out nice and neat there for you to get. So that should answer your any questions. If you have any other questions, shoot us an email. Get a kit, get trained, be the difference. Y'all stay safe.